Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Bilbrook, where you're going to be seeing services from West Midlands Railway and Transport for Wales. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International to Holyhead. And that is 158832. Arriving now is the 1604 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. And it's 196105. And departing out now is the 1604 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. Passing through now is a West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. That's 196109. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Aberystwyth and Portwelly to Birmingham International. That was 158826 and 158830. And that train is also running about 20 minutes late. Passing through now is a West Midlands Railway service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. And that's 196008. Arriving now is the 1647 West Midlands Railway service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. And this one is 196012 and is absolutely heaving. It's only a 2-coach instead of a 4. Departing now is the 1647 West Midlands Railway service from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International to Aberystwyth and Portwelly. And that was 158821 and 158827. Arriving now as a 1704 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. And it is 196,103. Departing again now as a 1704 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Birmingham International. And that was 158832. Passing through now is a West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. And that's 196,111, sorry. And that was the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.